In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix mouse pointer or cursor disappearing on Windows 11 or Surface device. So let's get started. So press Windows key and letter R button together. Type devmgmt.msc. Hit enter. Then you need to use the tab key. And then you have to use the down arrow key to get into the mice and other pointing devices. Use the right arrow key and then locate your mouse. Hit enter. Then use the tab key to get into the general tab. Right key to get into the driver tab. Tab key. Update driver. Hit enter. Then use the down arrow key. Browse my computer for drivers. Hit enter. Then tab key. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Hit enter. Then here we have to choose the HTake ID compliant mouse. Then you have to use the tab key to get into the next button. Okay. And then once you get into the next button, hit enter and Windows will successfully update your drivers. Then press Windows key. Then use the tab key. And then right arrow key to get into the power button. Hit enter. Down arrow key and hit enter to restart your Windows. Now after doing so, that will fix the issue for you. Okay, press the Windows key and then you need to type in here mouse settings. Hit enter. And then you have to simply scroll down and click on additional mouse settings. Now this window will appear. Use the tab key to get into the buttons tab and then right arrow key to get into the pointer options. Down arrow key or tab key to get into the display pointer trails and check that option. And hide pointer while typing and check that option. And then you have to click on apply. And then okay. Or you have to use the tab keys to get into the apply and then okay and hit enter. Then restart your Windows. Press Windows key, tab key, right arrow key, hit enter, then down arrow key, hit enter to restart. So do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.